Hello everyone, today I wanted to talk about one important thing which was causing application to work very slow. And now it works okay, but if you face that problem when you go to in Nvidia panel, you can turn this off. I will check if application Reno has the same problem because Reno was working slow. I will be learning this program because this program has large possibilities. Wait a minute. Why, why, come actually running? Shouldn't work. This shows my PC considerably. Actually, this is working at the moment. This one is working. Okay. I wanted to show you. Uh, where control honor? Why control honor will not work? That is strange because I don't see control honor working properly. Uh, okay, I will have to go to the desktop to be able to check what I do wrong. Just why Nvidia doesn't work? Oh, okay, that's okay. I will turn this on. There's one important thing which I have to show you. Sorry for that. I don't know why this wasn't working. The monitor technology. This option, when I turned this on, one of my programs did not work. I just have to double check. Because that application did not refresh. I will have to check. Sometimes at the moment it is working, but if you face the view or performance, check that option because I believe it switch options because Reno and Modo, because of that option, it had both programs had low view or performance. That is why you should check which one is compatible so your programs should work fine. But make sure you check those options. Monitor technology. These things compatible and fixed refresh. See you guys.